The Aspire Nautilus AIO is here, taking the best of what Aspire's previous pod mods had to offer and putting it in a neat little package with some improvements to boot. The Aspire Nautilus AIO is a pod mod with a huge 4.5 milliliter capacity, which also has a 2 milliliter TPD version. This puff of magic fits right in the palm of your hand at 87.5 millimeters by 37 millimeters by 21 millimeters. The Nautilus AIO is built to take the most popular and widely available coil on the market, the original Nautilus BVC coil, which means that it'll be easy to find replacement coils. It also has a modified BVC coil specially for Nick salts, and both coils come in at 1.8 ohms. The Nautilus AIO is a bottom fill pod with a rubber stopper that you remove to fill. The stopper is super easy to remove due to the large nub affixed to it. Having said that, I wish there was another hole to alleviate pressure when trying to fill the pod instead of having to tip it to the side. In any case, just like the Breeze 2, the pod pops out with two side buttons and slides back in with a noticeable click to let you know it's secure. Also at the bottom is an adjustable airflow cap, which is removable so that you may swap out your coils. This is definitely an improvement over the Breeze 2 where you had to replace the coil by removing the top cap. Reason being is that if you wanted to test the airflow, you'd have to disassemble, adjust, reassemble, test, repeat. Now you just fiddle with the airflow and take drags at the same time, so it's got ease of use in mind. Lastly, the body is made of a sturdy plastic, which makes the mod far lighter, a plus for portability, but sacrifices the durability found in the Breeze 2, which was made of aluminum. All in all, this pod mod is going to become the gold standard for Aspire. Giving it the ability to use the standard Nautilus BVC coils along with its 6 awesome colors means that if you're a pod mod lover, this one is going to be on your wish list.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Check out our other videos here, and don't forget to subscribe.